Welcome everybody. What we're going to be doing today is we're going to be measuring the air pressure going from sea level all the way up to 9,300 feet or 2,800 meters. And our starting point is going to be here at Rainbow Falls in Hilo, Hawaii at an elevation of 361 feet or 110 meters. And the air pressure reading at this elevation is 1,007 millibars. Average pressure at sea level is 1,014 millibars. We will be using the millibar system for the air pressure readings in this demonstration. As you go higher in elevation, the air pressure drops. The reason being, gravity pulls the air from the atmosphere towards the Earth. Gravitational attraction between the Earth and the air molecules near to the Earth is greater than those that are farther away from the Earth. So that means there is more weight with the air molecules at the Earth's surface than farther away because there's more force per unit area. Molecules of air that are farther away from the surface of the Earth may weigh less, but however, they are pressing down on the molecules below, also contributing to the air pressure. So this diagram shows the much more denser air closer to the Earth's surface, while the least dense air is farther away from the Earth's surface. So for this demonstration, we're going to start in Hilo, Hawaii, at Rainbow Falls, which is an elevation of 361 feet or 110 meters. Here is the route that we will be taking. And like I said, Rainbow Falls is on the right hand side over there, and we're going to move towards the west on State Highway 200, or commonly known as Saddle Road. We'll keep going until we hit the Mauna Kea access road, which goes towards the north. You can see it there on the left hand side of the map. So we're going to take that all the way up to 9,200 foot level, or around 2,800 meters. The stopping point is the Onizuka Center for International Astronomy. I was not able to make it to the top of Mauna Kea because of a new law that was passed recently not allowing non-four-wheel vehicles to drive to the top. And there is a guard to make sure people do not use the wrong vehicle to go to the top. First reading, Rainbow Falls, Hilo, Hawaii, elevation 110 meters, 361 feet above sea level. Air pressure, 1,007 millibars. The next reading was taken on Saddle Road at mile mark 15 at an elevation of 3,800 feet or 1,158 meters above sea level. The air pressure reading was 885 to 893 millibars. I'm going to put additional readings from this point on without any narration unless needed. Now compare that same elevation to the previous clip, to Mount Mitchell, North Carolina, USA, which is the elevation of 6,684 feet or 2,037 meters above sea level. The air pressure is consistent at the same elevation all around the world at 799 millibars at 6,684 feet, in Hawaii and in North Carolina. Now back to the Mauna Kea access road at elevation 7,160 feet or 2,182 meters, and the air pressure is 790 millibars. Here I'm at the Onizuka Center for International Astronomy. There's the top of Mauna Kea right there, and unfortunately I was not allowed to go to the top of Mauna Kea due to the fact that only four-wheel drive vehicles are allowed beyond this point, and it is strictly enforced. Now the air pressure at the top of Mauna Kea is around 610 millibars at 13,804 feet in elevation, which is about 4,207 meters above sea level. This means that the top of Mauna Kea has air pressure that's 40% less than at sea level. Altitude sickness can start at 9,000 feet or around 2,800 meters. Now the top of Mount Everest, which is the highest mountain above sea level in the world. It is 29,028 feet or 8,848 meters above sea level. The air pressure on top of Mount Everest is 70% less than at sea level and measured at 300 millibars. And that wraps it up. And thank you for watching.